Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on the Gremlin bell that we received from the Blue Bike and Doyle on our last mail call. If y'all haven't checked out that video yet, go ahead and look at the link up above and go ahead and check it out. Right now, stay tuned and we'll get to it. So I've been trying to find a place to put it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it to this bracket right here. And so that way it'll be hanging down. I could go lower under here. There is a little brace here, but I don't want it to be dragging. So yeah, let's get to it. So like we said, we're gonna go ahead and use a zip tie and get it down here on this lower floorboard bracket. I actually think that's where Doyle put it in his video. Zip tie it up. And just like that, I think we're good. Need to go get some snippers and go ahead and snip that off, but for now I think that looks good, guys. And just like that, guys, we have it installed. We have it on the lowest part there, and I think it looks pretty good. Once again, I can't thank you enough, Doyle. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and check out his channel.